Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
A bulb connected to an electric cell. Let us try to make an electric bulb light up using an electric cell. But how do we do that? For that, let's do this activity. Activity. Take 4 lengths of electric wire with differently colored plastic coverings. Remove a little of the plastic covering from each length of wire at the ends. Fix the exposed parts of 2 wires to the cell and the other 2 of the bulb. You can stick the wires to the bulb with the tape used by electricians. Use rubber bands or tape to fix the wires to the cell. Now, connect the wires fixed to the bulb with those attached to the cell in 4 different ways. You will observe in first and last case, bulb glows. This shows that 2 wires of the bulb should be connected in 2 different terminals of the battery. This completes the circuit and the bulb glows.